Hi guys. Mag-regards ta. Sending regards to Henrik. Hi.
Hello.
Smile pa. Smile ba?
1, 2, 3, smile. Ah. Really nice area here. We have monkey sightings here. Not sure if you can see. Oh,
Nagyod
di
siya
mo
sa
good kay
babaw.
klaro kung ano
Oh,
law.
nagyod naglihok-lihok yun siya. Hala.
So welcome to a Better Life page. We're here at Lianga,
St. Christine.
St.
Costway
Christine,
sa Costway.
Costway. Sa gini Davao. Surigao del Sur. I came all the way here from our mountain just to see my family, especially dad. His boat is over there, but he's picking us up, or maybe sending one of the crew. Oh, I think it's dad. Miss my family once in a while. It's nice to hang out with them, and I really appreciate my husband for being so supportive. But yes, it's dad. It's nice to be in the ocean, or at least to see the beach and the mountains over there. It looks cool. Apparently there are some falls there. Yeah, foggy as well, but I don't think it's as cold as what we have in Bukidnon. Yeah. I think I'll skip filming from here. Asang bato day? We're trying to avoid the bato, the rock. Mom's doing the navigation. I'm starting to get dizzy. I think I'll stop filming for now. Wow, hi vlog. Yeah, I should have taken the anti-motion. It's a rock here. Big rock.
Napa? Gugus mo ka duwal.
Diri asa siguro sa kilid mo. Oh, aron padong asa day padong ang paan.
Kabigon man. Lang mo yan.
We're here. Kasi pangalan ni pa Laravia. Laravia Fishing.
Tama na ing kay maharbong ka.
Kapyot ragod.
Daliin. Adi. Tahuran daw na.
Kita si Hendrik anak.
Paano ka ba?
Akong pagkitaon.
May hat. Danlog naman. Oh. Sige.
Okay. Okay.
Sana live.
Ay, dili. Video ra ba? Pwede ra ni ikat. Or hair. Oh, sama. What can you say?
Di ay sa
English lang kay si Hendrik.
Hendrik.
Say hi.
Kuan ko diha.
I'll just add translations. Yeah. If anyone's interested, or at least my husband, this is the captain's deck. Captain's deck na dra man no. Tour ba tour?
Kamarote.
The Camarote in Bisaya. That's the, hold on, I'll do it properly. I'll try not to fall here. Yeah, this is our opening.
Biyahe meron ba kasi nanangon di
Biscuit.
dali ano na mo hindo ang kinasun.
Sabi monitor.
Ayun kayo pa kay Saba.
Monitor ko sa loud.
The radio
Dili ro ba
monitor.
kuan? Bagyo.
Yeah, I don't know what the other parts here is. But yeah, there's a speaker there. That screw.
Dapat ka na.
Asa ni pa ay clock? Nagkompas.
Sounds.
Ulit ko kan kalibo.
Ah, Dad likes music. It's gonna have some coffee. All room around here. So that has one. Pila ni kapakura pa? Duha? 4. Iman ni tanan pakura? We have one mini boat. The 2 others is from the financer, and then the other one is from one of his crew. And why is there a duck here? It's weird, but yeah. Anyway, they're gonna go and head out today, do the voyage today, whole day.
Tay pato. Ihaw ka.
Gani, kano sa man ni? Ay, kano sa ni ihawon de unta? They're gonna use the duck for today's voyage, or at least proteins, and usually it's just for celebrating for the voyage. Or,
Wala tayo dito dulong.
yeah, I'm just getting information right now.
Kita nimo.
Mot ning Laravia, oh. Or
Chamchoy mga
menu.
nana.
Ha?
Hapon nagiris.
This used to be Yang Cham Joy. My nickname is Yang, by the way. Cham and Joy, my 3 sisters. But they cleaned it and painted it. Before it also was Lara Via, like our youngest sibling. And Via, Dad's first grandchild. We'll see. And it also used to be Super B-Boy, my only brother. Like super, anyway, not gonna explain too much. I'll just have my husband do the explaining. But yeah, Dad was telling me earlier to go to the dock, or what to call that. Anyway, yeah, they're gonna do voyage today. We're just visiting Daddy for a bit, and they loaded rocks because they're using I don't know how to. I'll just explain it to my husband. It's like they use the rocks to keep the bait, to put weight on the hook for tuna fish. They're catching tuna. And yeah, this is pretty much what the boat looks like, with the water, just some supply for a week. Usually they go for a voyage for a week. But last time I checked with the weather, it's clear from typhoon, so it should be good. But yeah, they used to be uh, docking in Jensen, but Jensen is just for, it's like a market exporting, but usually the fishing area is around here in Surigao, Celebes Sea. Not familiar, but yeah, lots of boats here. Lots, but not as big as the ones I see in Jensen, General Santos City. But yeah, Dad also has some fellow captains here that used to live in Jensen, but since the fish is here, I think they live where the fish is. So I think that's makes sense. We brought breakfast for Dad. I think mango soup, and we'll share it. I think they're preparing it. We're also on a limited time. We can't spend a day with Dad today because we're just free riding with my cousin Diane, heading back to Jensen. But it's like including meals in between and CR stops. I think it from 9 hours estimated on Google Map, it goes to 12 hours max. But yeah, so we're gonna try to leave as early as possible, so we're not gonna stay long here, and Dad has some work to do, so we're not gonna hold them off. But yeah, it's just good to show Dad support one of the kids visiting him, and also if my siblings are watching, then they'll see what Dad has been working on. We barely see him because he's busy setting up the boat. This is from his own savings, borrowing from neighbor just to get started, because Dad used to work for a fishing company, or at least an owner, and then they end up having to sell the boat, so Dad just started. So Dad was just started to make his own. Unsa ni pa panglimas ni?
Tubig.
Mainom?
Wala pang lima sa dagat.
Ay, sa mainom ni. This is their drinking water. Sorry. Okay.
Generator, tawag hapon. Danyo na.
So we picked up some generator for Dad before we arrived here. So this is one of the stops we did the other day. Just when we arrived, I was unsure if I'm gonna film my trip, but I think it's good to show. Not all mountain. It's not always mountain videos. I'm having coffee.
Coffee here.
The engine is here. I cannot move it more, but yeah.
Na engine deck.
Engine deck. May pa flashlight niya. That's cooperative, just showing off his boat. Yeah, that is mainly the one working and fixing. Just working every day, maintenance and stuff. Katuning sa kuan pa? Katong dala nimo sa balay nga makina? I asked Dad if that's the boat that he brought in the house years ago, but now it's a new one. This is for removing water on the engine deck. There's nothing, so yeah. They already drained it, but yeah, this is the exhaust. Yeah, it's pretty much clear there, so there's nothing to suck out here. This is the kitchen and the cook. Just started cooking rice. Nagbugas mais pa? Asa ni bugas umay? Rice grain. This is their setup when it's windy and rainy. At least it's
May
safe.
mga katata-arapi ka ng gamay.
There's a stove here or the gas tank
Dami
here.
na kapalit niya. Repair. Dako.
Asang sakanan diri there's no ladder, so I'm just gonna step on stuff. I'll just video here the sleeping quarters. Asa im tulugan pa dira So that's sleeping quarters there. The crew is here and then
Saka patong leo.
mas slide po.
Hat, mas kuwayan.
Tingnan ko ba lang nila?
Wala, mas kuwayan.
Just getting a full boat tour, solar panel. Just holding on to bamboos here. Diri ra ko eh. But yeah, that's pretty much what the boat is about, and we'll update a week after how much was the catch. Hopefully a lot, and hopefully the prices are favorable to that. But because yeah, sometimes I'm not very familiar with the fish sale, like economy for fishermen, but sometimes when it's like supply and demand kind of thing, if there's lots of fish, then the prices doesn't favor to the fishermen because it goes down, or at least the selling price goes down. But if there's rarity of fish supply, then it goes high. So we'll see how much they can sell. I barely asked Dad for that kind of topic, but yeah, we'll see if anyone's interested. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's really a good business, but people still continue doing fishing regardless of the economy, either it's high or up or down. But yeah, people still need fish or tuna. It's the most saleable fish here, at least if they get the non-tuna fishes, then they can still sell it for consumption. People continuously eat every day anyway. I'm just babbling.
Wala ka ng pasakaan sa taas, sa punuan sa labi.
Iko nang manubela pa. Operate ba? Drive atik-atik.
Ikaw, dre na ako. Magkatabit na po.
Dad's, wala yung cellphone ako Dad's GPS is just using the phone, and just a simple or a standard tablet just for backup, just for navigating. Dad has telescope because we're seeing one of Surigau's islands, Britannia. Over there. It's pretty.
Saan pong isa? Saan pong isa?
Ikaw model ma.
Ano? Mamag. Yuta.
Klaro. Yung telescope.
Mga idas na.
Ang tuyo ko man.
Kita mo tinaw.
Hindi man o.
Diri dapat mo kay ang background. Update, the rice is boiling. Unsa pa hinayan ni? It's boiling over.
Bingo man.
Laundry just here anywhere.
Ang isa ka langgana lang.
So this is Mom's DIY. Unsa ni ay buya?
Buya.
Boy. I don't know what to say in English. This is boy. Sew it in the middle, so they have a basin for laundry now. Mom's DIY project. So before we went here, Dad was asking Mom to bring the big CRT TV, but apparently Dad already has a TV. Mom just found out, but yeah, Dad said it was just a trade-off.
Andara daw.
Wonder ni pa.
Generator lagi andar. Andar na bisa gue
It
generator.
works and dad doesn't have vices, but he just likes the sounds.
Kain.
Na FM.
Dad's
Ilang
also
maibalita.
giving mama radio.
Dala ko ba to? Ato ni bato ko.
Gawin battery.
Unsa ka ni Rubit sa 22 meeting with Lara.
So for continuation, I'm just gonna hang out here at the hammock area while we're waiting for the rice to cook. Gani, Dad is giving us a tour. The
Kanabangan mo ka green blow man nila.
Dad's
250 yung alag
Dad's neighbor buddy. This one, they're selling this for 250k, but someone asked like, oh, can we get it for 180? So I said no. Anyway, the captain's house. You'll know you're in the Atagon if you see this boathouse.
Kita pa? Padool pa?
Yeah. And Diane and Reno's boat.
Kita balik mo kayo ito.
Makita gamay. It's just on standby for now because this has lots of repair to be done. It's quite a big boat. Yeah, Diane and Reno is the ones that lives here or partly lives here. But yeah, Diane is my cousin, and yeah, we're just tagging along with her.
Suka imong i-picture ang apel. Kuring kimo na.
Lights. Amo ning ikon sa generator. Yeah. Boat made everything on wood, but Dad mentioned this boat thing costs quite a bit because the base of the boat it's fiberglass. But yeah, I didn't ask how much or how did he get to this boat, but I think this was a deal. He used to have a smaller boat, I think something like as small as that, but Dad found a deal since the old boat is starting to rot or give in, so and Dad got an opportunity to switch to a bigger boat, so he took the deal. I think he partly got the deal with the financier, but we'll see. I don't know what's the deal. There's this is not a fishing boat. This is for mga island hopping. This is like island hopping. Kani mong kuan pa island hopping nimo ni. That is a fishing boat. That is like island hopping boat because we're close to Surigao. It's like Britannia Island, so yeah. I don't know. I think maybe fishing is more lucrative. Maybe there's not much tourists. Not sure. Oh, kind of nice picture. Yeah, I think we're gonna start to head out. Wala pa yung picture. Kasi pangan pa yung kauman. Oh no. Tawag daw pa. Picture. Dara mo okay magkuantaw. Ay dari ara. Oh, dari on tama. Tawag ba? Pa-picture ta. Dito sa may captain oh. Ikaw gunit mo.
Saan ako?
Gunita lang ba?
Ano man?
Ana ra. Ikaw mag-picture ta. Sa video lang. Tanaw dali sa camera oh.
Pagkuman.
Hi guys.
Usa ro picture. Pastilan.
Mag-regards ta. Sending regards to Henrik. Hi.
Hello, hindi.
Smile po pa. Smile ba? Pause lang, pause. I think we'll end the video now. It's getting late. Bye. Smile po pa. Smile ba? Ba na gud sa like wa daw ka ga smile.
Candy oh.
That's eating candy. He's happy.
That's his happy face. Bye. So we're heading back now. It's 6:30. Try not to go very late. I'm just holding on. Ako?
Sakay na yan. Aus papa ni mo. Ito na mi Jong.
Sige. Salamat.
Oh, selamat
Apa
po
ka
dia.
ni sa vlog?
Sige na.
Oo. Hi. Video bar na kuan.
Ikaw uli ni Ring, dungir. Dira
O say donger.
Iya, magbugsay unya.
Ah, di ko balo.
Patay Hitler, Diyos ko dili balhin diri.
Abi bug
Ay sige ra ko ito. Abi ako na lang diha kay dinhi siya ka balumog.
abi mag-video ko kaya ayun. Video ko magbugsay.
Diri ka uling ko diri. Salamat.
Ikaw man magkuan, ako magbugsay.
Dili ka kabalo.
Ha? Di ko kabalo. Tulag asa dapit.
Na nabuing na makadao ba ka.
Oh, sige. Yeah.
Lihok-lihok pa ta diri ron.
We're heading back. Bye. Bye.
Hindi ka saka.
Yeah. Ayo sa kuan pa. Daghanag ko ha. Just we're wishing him well for the voyage. Yeah, it's raining now. Di sa mi pa. Pagbamay po maano.
Pagpayo ka.
Pagpayong tagamay. Kita mabasa. Yeah, we're heading back now.
Oto pa ka sa St. Crispin na.
Okay rin pong dili.
Pumunti motor magsakay ka ang magbakay.
Pwede. Kanid ay oh.
Ha? Narito sa unahan?
Makaagit ang St. Christine.
Ano ito stray?
This is the coastway.
Of St. Christine. Sapa mo na diha sa Jatagon. Diha mi nag-standby.
As ay katong ingon nimo nga kuan.
Pero mo man ang bangka na nabalhin na di ay. Bangka na to. Nagamay.
Amo nang bangka nga gamay kana sa tunga.
Murag mao murag ipod. Ay pero pa dito gihapon.
Masayro kaya? Ay. Okay, one. Sige ma. 1, 2, 3, smile. Dulo man imong nang ikuan gamay ang payong ana. Okay. So we're back here at Diana Nana's place. Hindi picture to dito.
Dili akay mo
Nice.
tawag ta dito.
I just asked mom to take photo of me. As usual, I wanna join in the video. Yeah, they have a really nice area here. Ay, pwede makuan diri mo humol-humol. It's really nice. It's quite deep there, but yeah. Really quite enticing, especially if this is gonna be white sand here. I'm just gonna jump in when the stitch are completely healed up. Aba? Picture na posing. Wala dakop. Nanindot oh.
Oh. Oh, kana diha sa may kahoy. Oh. Ito imong view. Sige diha ka day. Wow.
Model.
Wow.
Kay way bra.
Maklaro na nun to ibo. Oh, diha day. Oh, ayun lang sa pagsandig sa kahoy karon na. Oh, diha. Una at bang kuan gamay. Ana kana. Oh, sige posing.
Kaya anak pero. Kaya anak ba?
Hawa di yung gamay ka.
Auntie setting up a raft just so we have something to pull.
Ganina napalong. Iyeng.
Dili ra na ako ibutang.
Tinaw day, hindi kita tanaw day.
Okay, we're gonna go swimming.
Ligo mi sa sapa ni Rino ni Dayan. Ang Riris River.
River. Dili.
Mao gini atong kalitan ron, alsot sunapit. Alsot sinap. Kabali. Sige. Oh, sige. Kaya mo. Oh, lutaw gid yan. Ayos gid.
Nice kay diri ayan.
Tanawan.
Ay, oh.
Ayo. Gapo kay tanawan ba gaan ako nang bugnaw no?
So nice. Swimming. Say hi to the camera.
Gapo. Kusina. Dili ta magluto. Oh. Kahoy-kahoy lang. Ini ang lutuan pagkadaghan sa sugnod o di pagkakaroon tali sa katuig. Naong sa kusinira.
We have monkey sightings here. Not sure if you can see. It's not really moving or it's barely moving. Yeah, oops, sorry.
Hulam pa kabalik yeng.
Dili na siguro te.
O kuan na mi. Wala na duha na sila at tatlo.
Yeah, my camera is not great for wildlife video, but I'll try.
Saka ko.
Lahi ilang tingog na. That's cool. Yeah, they really got a nice place.
Uy, takwa duha.
Kita akong tutoy lang.
It's cool. Oh, yeah. Monkey.
Diguan na niyo ko.
Yeah, we rarely see monkey here, but yeah, it's cool they have.
Gapo
Here.
gud telescope.
Oh,
Nagyan
hindi
siya
mo good kay klaro kung ano law.
Oh, nagyan o naglihok gid siya. Hala. Ning tabok siya speakers.
Ka-cute.
Thank you.
May puno daghan sila diri.
Ay, mommy monkey. Where?
Tora, Rio, daghan sila Rio, isa duha, tulo.
Andiri kay isa.
Ninggara gyud sila tabo.
Yeah, I think that ends our video today. Reeve, say bye to the camera. Bye!